Hello and welcome to another video where I'm gonna be explaining to you how to get weapons in Soulframe. To get new weapons in Soulframe, you're gonna have to unlock crafting, which is the only way to get weapons. It looks something like this. It's on your mind space, and here you're gonna find this helmet with this spirit of this woman right here, and this very helmet is the thing that you need to find to unlock crafting, which is the only way that you can get weapons right now. Well, you can also buy them from the premium shop, but I'm not sure if those are fragments or the complete weapons. I think the only way to get the full weapon is to craft it over here. So if you don't have this here on your mind space yet, you're gonna head over to this center of the map, around this location, around here, and you're gonna find this crater on the ground. It's gonna be surrounded by enemies. Kill the enemies, grab the head, the helmet, and then press G, and the bird is gonna guide you where you have to take it. You have to take it to somewhere else, I think, where it's the graveyard, I mean the tombstone of this spirit, and then you're gonna see her and you're gonna have her available here on your mind space. When you go here and click F, you're gonna see that you have different categories. You have the ones that you have ready for forging, you have the ones that you don't have the materials yet to craft them. You see I'm lacking this one, but I have the other two, and you're gonna see other ones that you can't even check the information because you don't have even the whole recipe. So this game works with fragments of recipes that you need to be able to craft the items, and these ones you can get them from specific bosses, from specific puzzles or dungeons that you can attend to. And I'm gonna leave you guys a link to a wiki down below in the description that gets updated with all the locations for all the fragments and how to get them. So I hope that you check it and you find out how to get the specific ones that go for your pact. They take some time. They're gonna have some estimated time of like 4 to 24 hours for, or even more for pacts for being crafted. So consider that you're not gonna get your hands on your stuff right away. And you have also a reforging tab where you can add some multipliers with these potions that you get also in the open world. So guys, if you have any doubt how to get new weapons, I think this is the only way for now. I'm going to show you the shop because I also saw them there for premium currency. You see here. But all of these, I think you can also get them for free, just farming in the game. Find out how to get them, and don't spend your premium currency on this. If you are going to spend any premium currency, I recommend you to go on this last tab and get more capacity, because you're going to need pacts capacity and weapon capacity, since once you get them to rank 30, they don't give you any more experience, and you have limited amount of these slots. So this is how to get new weapons in Soulframe. I hope you found this helpful at all. If it was, please consider subscribing and dropping me a like. It really helps me out making these videos. So see you until next time.